Hey everybody, thought I'd come back with another video here. Fried cornbread, soup beans left over from yesterday. Cooked them over the fire in that pot, and put them in the cooler with the ice and my other food, and saved those leftover beans. And now I'm having them for dinner today and lunch. Fried cornbread, cast iron skillet. It's a Lodge brand. Oh, I knew that was going to splatter. I looked at the front of the camera to see if I got grease on my lens. I'm going to wipe it off just in case. So, yeah, I brought a lot of different stuff to cook. Don't feel like cooking a whole lot right now, so it's easier just to warm up a few beans and fry a piece of cornbread. Mix the cornbread up in this bowl. There's plenty for me. I was going to make some barbecue chicken. Might do that tonight for supper. Try to do some fishing out there. I get done eating this beans and cornbread here, I'll do some fishing. Got my amateur radios here I can listen to, talk on. The FM radio on that one. These beans were pretty good. Cooked them in that pot with chicken broth in them and canola oil. Turned out pretty darn good. The boat. Moving on pretty good. Another one. And another boat. Cherokee Lake. Out here camping, private property. Pretty good place. Nobody out here but me, just by myself. Okay, I'm gonna bump that up a little. I think the beans are hot enough. Let me test them. Oh yeah. Turn the beans off, they're done. Well, I mean, the beans are warm enough. Gotta turn this up a little. I'll stay the night out here, 2 nights. I don't believe I'll stay a third night. Probably don't have enough water. And I'm running out of ice. Had 4 bags, pretty much all melted. Got my food in this one, no bagged ice in it. I froze a gallon jug of water. I froze 2 2-liter bottles, 4 blue ice packs in there, 3 or 4 16-ounce drink bottles I froze. So it's just got containers frozen, so the bagged ice doesn't melt, make the food soggy. So just a short video here. I'm going to put the cornbread in the pot, just eat it out of the pot. It ain't wanting to get brown. Probably gonna be raw in the middle. Got her bumped up. So, Coleman stove, cast iron skillet, cooking some beans and cornbread here. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be back.